Good morning, children. Now, today, all of you open your honeycomb textbook, okay? Lesson number 2. Today, I'll explain you lesson number 2. A gift of chappals. Page number 18 and 19. First, I'll explain you, then next lesson, next 20 and 21, okay? Here, see. Mridu is a young girl growing up in Madras, now called Chennai. Now, name of Madras is now Chennai, okay? With Tapi, her grandmother, and grandmother's name is Tapi, and Tata, her grandfather. One afternoon, Tapi takes her to her aunt Rukkumani's house. She goes to Rukkumani's house to meet her cousin Lali, Ravi and Meena. Her cousins are there, Lali, Ravi and Meena. Now, a gift of chappals. See. A smiling Rukkumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed in. When they went, she opened the door. And Ravi and Meena ran and went inside. Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. She took him in the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. Mridu is telling, let me take off my slippers. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Now black slippers were there, where she put on her slippers, okay? Those were grey, actually with dust. And the chappals had become grey with dust because of dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. Now when we wear slipper, there are our toe marks. આપણા પગના આંગળાના નિશાન આવી જાય ત્યાં. Okay, that is marks. In front of each slipper, the marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny. They were skinny, thin. Mridi didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were. Mridi was not bothered. Whosever slipper they are, let them be. Because Ravi dragged her to the backyard. We had a thick bitter berry bush. So bitter berry bush. Bush means a jar here. This is a bush. Okay. So you could see the yeah. Behind a big bitter berry bush, there inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand. There was one football. There a very small kitten, small baby kitten was there. Baby of cat kitten. Lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. Now coconut nadia. Halfway in that this child has put milk. And the baby kitten is licking it, drinking it. Okay? We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mew. What was he doing? Mewing and mewing. And meow, meow, meow is doing. Poor thing, said Meena. It's a secret. This is our secret. Amma says, Pati will leave for our Pandu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. If she will know we are having a cat, then she will go away. People are always telling us to be kind to animals. But when we are, they scream. They tell you, be kind, don't beat the cat, don't beat the dogs, we have to be good to the animals, no? But when we are good, then they shout. Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here, said Ravi. Then they said, don't bring the creature inside, andar na lavta. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? From the kitchen, rasodamati milk laya, it's very hard. Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. She saw me when I was bringing milk, she saw me. Pati means and grandmother. I told her I am very hungry. I said, I am hungry. I want to drink it. I want to drink the milk. Just now. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it. Then when she was there, I had to drink. Compulsory, I had to drink milk. At me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. That means to Make her understand that I am telling the truth. હું સાચું બોલું છું. કે I am hungry. Then she wanted the tumbler back. કે tumbler આપ પાછું. In what she was taking the milk. Pachi, I'll wash it myself. She said, no, I will wash myself. Why should I put you to trouble? Why should I give you trouble? I told her, I had to run and pour the page 20, children. Milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. The Shanka jai, suspicious. She should not know that we are having a kitten. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. Mahendran? This little kitty's name is Mahendran? Bridu was impressed. Naam surai ko the Mahendran of the kitten, baby kitten's name, okay? So, it was a real name. Not just a cute kitty cat name. Kitty cat name not but very big and nice name. Actually his full name is Mahendra Verma Pallava Punai. MP Punai for short, if you like. He is a fine breed of cat. He is the baby of a very nice cat, good cat. Just look at this fur. Fur means એનું જે વાળ હોય. Just look at his fur like a lion's mane. Lion નું કેવું હોય? Like that his fur is so nice. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was? Don't you? He looked expectantly at Bridu. Bridu giggled. હસે છે. Kiki. Okay? Think I'm joking? Well, just wait. I'll show you something sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. You don't know history? Haven't you been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? Have you seen Mahabalipuram? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Thathas, etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is a descendant from that very same ancient cat. Ancient cat હતી એ લોકોની. Thatha એટલે grandfather. Okay? A close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on, walking around the beetle-berry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling, shining. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. Mahabalipuram Rishi cat means it is descendant. And if I may just remind you, they worship cats in ancient Egypt. In Egypt they used to worship cat. Now page number 21. Okay. Video. Okay, now next video will be there. Okay,